Got the email on a Thursday, 30 days notice, time to renew. Sat down at my laptop with a level of intention I haven't applied to anything else this year, it's true. Went to a comparison site like an adult, put my details in, my note claims, my reg. Got 17 quotes back in ascending order, picked the fourth one down, not the cheapest, not the best. I click confirm, I entered my card details, I got a confirmation email with the policy number and a PDF that I will never read. And I sat back and I waited for something. I renewed my car insurance and felt nothing. Not bite, not relief, not a sense of forward momentum. I did the thing, the adult thing, the responsible thing, and the universe just continued. I renewed my car insurance and felt nothing. No one called to say well done, no one knew, no one was going to know. I had protected myself financially against vehicular incidents for another 12 months, and it meant nothing to anyone, including me, especially me. When I was young, I thought being grown up would feel like something when it arrived. I thought there'd be a moment of transition, some kind of ceremony, some sense of having thrived. Instead, it's just Thursdays and comparison sites and PDFs and standing orders and knowing what an excess is and choosing one and not feeling anything about it. I filed it in a folder called important documents that I made in 2020 when I thought I was going to get organized. There are so many documents in the folder. All of them are insurance policies. None of them have ever been opened again. And the folder exists. That's what the folder does. It exists, and so do I. I renewed my car insurance and felt nothing. I also scheduled a dentist appointment in the same sitting, which felt efficient but also believed like I was batch processing my own life. I renewed my car insurance and felt nothing. My dad used to make phone calls for this kind of thing, actual phone calls to actual people. He seems to find it meaningful somehow, like it connected him to the world. I did it in 4 minutes on my phone while watching television and found nothing, absolutely nothing, which is fine, which must be fine. Maybe this is what stability feels like. Maybe feeling nothing is the point. Maybe the absence of crisis is its own quiet kind of victory. And maybe every Thursday I don't fall apart was a Thursday worth counting. Maybe adulthood isn't a feeling, it's just a series of Thursdays where you do the thing and don't fall apart. And that's it. Let's go whole thing. Or maybe I'm supposed to feel something and I just forgot it how, or never learned, or learned and lost it somewhere. Around the time I started getting emails about car insurance and dental appointments and ISIS and all the other things that make up a life. college providers. I'll pick the fourth one down again and feel nothing and make tea, and